Everyone loves the adventures that happened in the chocolate factory, but what about the bloody chocolate factory? The Ski Sprites have taken over the chocolate factory and found what Willy Wonka has been hiding from us. What really happened to Augustus when he fell into the chocolate river? Or to Violet when she turned to a giant blueberry and got rolled away? What about Baruka when she fell through the trash chute? Or when Mike got shrunk in the Wonka vision? And whatever happened to Charlie? You'll find out when you visit the Ski Sprites haunted house. The Bloody Chocolate Factory, sponsored by Deborah Becker of State Farm Insurance Company, is happening Thursday, Friday, and Saturday nights through October from 7 to 11. Tickets are available in advance at all area Quick Trip stores or at the door. We can't wait to scare you, and remember, don't ever take candy from strangers unless it's from the Ski Sprites Chocolate Factory. The Ski Sprites are always looking for talented, hardworking boys, girls, men and women to join our team. We need more skiers as well as boat drivers, spotters, concession workers, announcers, and haunted house personnel. We are happy to teach you any of these roles. If you're interested in being a part of a fun, family-oriented team that works hard and loves giving back to the community, talk to any one of our haunted house personnel or check our website at www.skisprites.com.